Alright, stand back, buddy.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Want to see how fast it goes? Oh my gosh.
Why you guys spying on me? You guys spying before Johnny likes you, okay? You know how to go up?
Yeah.
Can I
Watch
go
it.
up all the way?
Watch. It's gonna come towards us. Look at. Crazy, huh? Want me to go up? Look at. Well, I can't go up because of the power lines.
But when you move from it, yeah, you can come up.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna go up though.
Because probably if you forget how to go down, then it's probably step.
Dude, it rips, bro.
Wait, does it have camera?
Mm-hmm. Look at. Ready? Look at.
Oh, damn.
Look at. Crazy, huh? I gotta keep it low and so I don't lose it.
Can I try?
Nah, bro. I'm sorry. This thing costs $500, bro.
You did?
500, yeah. Crazy, huh? Look, it goes backwards. No one's hit
Try
the
landing
ground.
right there.
No, yeah. I gotta put it in.
Damn.
Freaking crazy, huh? Look at watch. Look at watch. Whoa. Look at. Ready? Here it comes.
I like when it makes that noise when it comes up.
It's crazy, huh? Watch. Oh, shit.
Okay, I want to see right there. Can I see the camera right there? Whoa. I can't even see this kid right there. Hi, good. Yeah.
Hey, just keep it a secret, okay?
Okay, I want to try no more. When I had one of those, not like one of those, but like small ones,
Oh.
that girl, Adriana, she got me.
Who? Oh, the office lady?
Yeah.
What happened? She got mad at you
Yeah.
for flying it?
Yeah.
What'd she tell you?
Because I was literally right here,
Yeah.
there,
Yeah.
and she said, you can't pass the line with your drone. And I said, okay. Well,
What line? What line?
you know the bushes?
Yeah.
I can't go over there. But you can put the drone over there, but not the
I know.
our body. No, it's there. Only the drone can. Well, I thought I'd be a good deal right there. Won't hit nothing. I know how to fly them. Just like this. I know how to fly it, but... Hey, Dad.
Yeah?
Do you want anything to drink?
No, thank you. Where's your brother? Keep an eye on your brother, bro.
Yeah? Okay, I want to see a camera right there. Can I see the camera?
No, let's go to it.
Yes, super far away.
Yes.
When is that? Can I see the camera?
Alright, hold on. Let's get out the way.
Oh, it's right there.
Okay, here it comes. All right, here it comes. Here, let's land it. Hey, get back, get back.
Landing.
Crazy hot.